Salaam alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah Al-Jayan.
What's your father's name?
My brother's name MD Mujlala.
What's your father?
My brother is Adisa.
What is the name of your madrasa?
My madrasa name Qassim Bordura Rahmaniya Nurani Talim Madrasa Azzalan Yadunana.
What's your principal name?
My principal name Maulana Qabiluddin.
What class are you in?
I am in class 3 and you?
I am also in class 3.
See you again.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.